A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, June the 29th, June the 23rd, 2024. In this puzzle page, we have six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudoku, Kilo Sudoku. We have two binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, 10 by 10. And the last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And I've told you earlier, in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles for the Sunday. So what I will do on Sunday afternoon, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of this puzzle page, because I'm doing 4 puzzles out of 6, and maybe cannot promise you I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition, because the Friday edition there were no extra puzzles, no additional. So let me start with this 4-star Sudoku, and this one will be number 8810. Double 810. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Well, usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 1 digit more, should be at 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the 6 in this row, the 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the 3rd column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 3. One of the missing number is the number 3 in the 2nd column. We need a 3 in the 2nd column. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And we have a 5 in the 1st column, 5 in the 3rd column. So the column between the 2nd column, only 2 places left for the 5, goes together with the 3 as a pair. So we have a pair here. That means 1 digit left in the 2nd column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Well, interesting. 6. Let me see. We have an 8. Need that 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 in the column next, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1. I should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Need a 3 here. We have a pair. The 3 and the 6 in this column, the 3 and the 6 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Alright, need a 5 here. And I need 7. Need a 1. Come on. 8. Yeah. 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah, let me think. 6. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 here. Need 6. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here also. 4, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoot me there. Need a 1 here. 4, 6, 3. Okay, need a 2 here. Come on. 3, 4, 6. Yeah. 5 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 1. Shoot me there. And we have a pair. No. Need a 6 there. Yeah, we have a pair. The 4 and 6 in this column. The 4 and the 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 6, we have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in this second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. How about 4, 4? How about 4, 4, 4? 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 it should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the row below, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. And all the 4s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1, 3, 3. Yeah. These, well, we have a 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these. 3 boxes. 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So the last column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 5 goes there. With all the 3s, no. 3 in this column. Third column. 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 11 minutes already passed. Can we count the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. Let me see. 9. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2 is missing. The 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. Then 2 and a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Well, I need a 5 here, I need a 5 there. 5, 8, 9. Well, 9 and a 5. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there, so the 5. Could be here, could be there. So, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Well, here give me 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 5 there. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And a 9 is missing. Well, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next on that column. Only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those. Then 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only place level 8 should be there. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 8 in the first column. 1 and 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. How about the number 1 in this row? 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 1. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then so we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have 2 and a 7 here. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left. The 5 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left on 8 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 9 goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes. Yeah. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. The fix. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.